guys, I'm back with another Halloween tutorial. I know y'all been seeing everybody doing bones, and they bones a little basic, so I'm doing my bones bloodied up. So to get started, I'm going in with my not polished black, not polished. Add me to the team. Stop playing. I'm ready. And then once I have my base nice and done, I'm going in with my Cooper matte top coat, so I have something smooth to work on. Cooper, y'all add me to the team too. I've been in both of y'all DMs on Instagram every single day. Y'all already know what it is. I'm ready. You ready? Let's get it together. Now we're going to go ahead and go in with these phalanges, and you need 2 sets of dots for each bone that you're going to do except the last one. And you want your dots to be relatively close together because you don't want your bones to be too big boned. And then for the one that's going to be right at the tip, you only need 1 dot, okay? Now we're going to get into it, and you just want to kind of curve these lines to give you the bone effect. And then for the last one, you're just going to kind of draw a little stick on it. Just like that. Just make it look nice, okay? I don't know how to describe it. It look like that, like an upside down drip drop. And then you're just going to fill it in. Take your time because you know when you mess up, it makes you very upset and you be ready to fight, but ain't nobody trying to fight, okay? It's just a bone, girl. Have some composure and some decorum. So we're going to go ahead and get that together. And basically, girl, that's all it is. Fill it in. Do what you do. I thought I knew what I was doing by doing the shading, but I didn't. So let's go ahead and get into these dots. Y'all, I've done a lot of drippy drops. So all you want to do is make sure that your drops stay on the bone so that the contrast between the white and the red is really popping. And you have your little dots. So then you're just going to drag upwards. And then you're just going to curve them together to make the drip drop at the end. And once you have all your little drip drops together, you're going to go ahead and connect them with some little curved lines. Go ahead and connect it to the top by coloring it in. And then also add some curved lines up to the base so that it looks like it's bleeding straight out of the eponychium, straight out of the matrix. We're doing some real damage here today, okay? And then you can add some other drops if you want it to look like it's going down. I always add a little extra drip because I'm extra, and I'm going to just do what I do because that's how I do it. Now that that's done, we're going to go in with that Cooper Shine Top Coat because, you know, Cooper gives me the shine all the time. I love it, girl. I'm pretty sure I can see my reflection in this nail right now, and it's cute. Go ahead with your fingers or whatever, girl. I see your bones. Your bones cute.